Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Dear students, today in class 2, subject English, I am going to teach you Unit 7 poem On My Blackboard I Can Draw. Dear students, in this video I will read poem also, I will explain and I will sing also. Okay, so everyone, you can open your Marigold textbook, open your Unit 7. Students, what is the name of your poem? On my blackboard I can draw. So everyone, you have seen the blackboard, right? This one is blackboard. Okay, you can see here, see. So in this poem it is said that on my blackboard I can draw. What is little boy can draw? Let's see in the poem. On my blackboard I can draw one little house with one green door, two brown gates that open wide, three red steps that lead inside, four little chimneys painted white, five little windows shining bright, six yellow marigolds straight and tall, growing up against the wall. Okay, now students, let's see explanation. On my blackboard I can draw. Here you can see this little boy is saying that on my blackboard I can draw. What he can draw? One little house. What is the meaning of little? Little means small. Okay, this boy can draw small house with one green door. Right, students, what is the color of the door? Green. Here you can see in this picture, this little boy has drawn this beautiful house, right? And you can see here this one is the color of the door. Which color is there? Green door, right? Then two brown gates that open wide. These are the gates, right? And what is the color of the gates? Brown. And these gates open wide, right? Then three red steps that lead inside. These are the steps, students. And how many steps are here? Three. And what is the color of steps? Red. Right? And these steps lead inside. Four little chimneys painted white. Students, what is the meaning of chimneys? Chimneys means a glass tube to remove smoke from house, right? You can see here these are chimneys. How many chimneys are here? Four. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So for these four chimneys are painted white. Its color is white, right? Then 5 little windows shining bright. How many windows are there here in this picture, in this little house? 5. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And these windows are shining bright. Next, 6 yellow marigolds, straight and tall. Students, have you seen the flower of marigold? See here. This one is marigold, right? What is the color of marigold? Yellow. And how many flowers are here? See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 yellow marigolds, straight and tall. You can see here, these marigolds are standing straight, right, and tall. Growing up against the wall. So these flowers are growing against the wall, right? This one is wall, and against this wall, these flowers of marigold are growing straight and tall, right? So students, this is your poem. On my blackboard I can draw, right? One little house. So students, you will also draw this kind of house in your English CW notebook, right? Now students, I am singing this poem. You can listen the teacher and you will try to sing like this, okay? So let's start. On my blackboard I can draw one little house with one green door. On my blackboard I can draw one little house with one green door. 2 brown gates that open wide, 3 red steps that lead inside, 4 little chimneys painted white, 5 little windows shining bright, 6 yellow marigolds straight and tall, growing up against the wall. Once again I am repeating. On my blackboard I can draw one little house with one green door, 2 brown gates that open wide, 3 red steps that lead inside, 4 little chimneys painted white, 5 little windows shining bright, 6 yellow marigolds straight and tall, growing up against the wall. Okay students, so you will also sing like this, right? So here explanation and recitation of this poem is over, right? I hope everyone you understood it and you enjoyed this poem, right? So students, what you will do? You will draw one little house in your CW book and you will also try to sing like this, okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.